Live from downtown Spokane, this is 4 News Now at 6:30.
Potentially $3.8 million in county taxpayer money is going to help people clear their records. Washington State Supreme Court changed drug laws in the state last February. The State versus Blake decision struck down the state's simple drug possession law because it didn't require the state to prove intent that a person knowingly possessed illegal drugs.
Well, this means thousands of people in Washington were convicted of a crime that's been proven unconstitutional. While the ruling's been in place for some time, processing all the cases is not easy. Tonight at 6:30, Esther Bauer shows us how Spokane County is handling the caseload.
Well, the county clerk's office is in charge of processing cases all the way back to 1971. So far, they've paid back around $74,000 in fines, and it's a complicated process lawyers say isn't getting any easier.
State versus Blake gives people a clean slate on these issues.
And Steve Graham, a local attorney, is helping people through the process.
We've got a lot of calls from former clients looking to clean up their record, and it has taken a long time. The process has been very slow.
Because there's a lot of cases. The clerk's office has gathered records through 1993 so far, and this ruling already affects over 14,000 cases in Spokane County. People are either having their records totally cleared from simple drug possession charges, being resentenced if incarcerated for other crimes, and getting paid back money they've paid into the system in the form of fines.
These folks deserve their money back. They deserve to have these vacates and dismisses done, and their incarceration, they deserve to have a new score put, so because that will reduce their time in incarceration, because the state Supreme Court has made a ruling. So we need to act on that ruling, and that's what we're doing in good faith.
Tim Fitzgerald is overseeing the process that isn't as simple as it seems.
I clean up all the legal documentation with Washington State Patrol and police records, and my own county records and the state records.
It's kind of meaningless if the court clerk down the street seals a file and doesn't allow public access to it. That's meaningless if these background check companies, some in the U.S., some overseas, still have these records and will sell it to people.
Graham says he's struggling to get background check companies to comply. The ruling may be in place, but people are still seeing past convictions hold them back.
That's really the hurdle people have been faced, to try to take these drug convictions from 5, 10, 20 years ago and seal them, and so people can get a fresh start.
And the clerk's office has just scratched the surface of cases dated back to 1993. The new ruling goes back 5 decades. Fitzgerald says it will take a couple more years to process cases through 1971, and this means the final payout for fines could also increase. Reporting in studio tonight, Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.